All right. In this video, we're going to build off what we talked about in the last video and look at the amount of interest and/or principal in a particular payment for an amortized loan. I'll step off and let you write down the example before we talk about it. All right. So Ellen has a 30-year mortgage. She's paying the mortgage in level monthly payments. We're told the amount of principal in the 82nd and the 56th payment, and we're trying to figure out the amount of interest in the 133rd payment. So since we've got a 30-year mortgage with level monthly payments, we know there are 360 payments total. We learned the formula in the last video about how to find the principal in any given payment. Remember that the principal in any given payment is the payment amount times v to the n minus t, the time of the payment, plus 1. So in this case, since we're looking at the 82nd payment and there's 360 total payments, we need 360 minus 82 plus 1 in the exponent. Notice there's two unknown values here. The problem does not give us the amount of the payment, nor does it give us the effective interest rate, so we don't know what v is. Luckily, we have another piece of information given to us, the amount of principal in the 56th payment. We would find it in a similar way just by changing the 82 to a 56. Plugging in what we know then, we know that the principal in the 82nd payment is $259.34. The principal in the 56th payment is the $230.19. We can basically divide the second equation by the first equation. Notice the payments go away. We get this fraction for v to the 26th. Do a little bit of algebra. We'll get that our v is 0.9954. So with this information, now we know half of what we need to know for the interest formula in the whatever payment we want. We also need to know what the payment amount is. We can use either of these two formulas for the principal since we're given both of the principal amounts and those payments. I chose to use the first one. You could do the second one just as easily. Take the principal in the 82nd payment and divide it by the v to the 279th, and you'll get a level payment of $932.27. So now we can use the interest amount in any given payment formula to figure out the final answer here. So the interest in the 133rd payment, remember the formula is the level payment times 1 minus v to the n minus t plus 1. So 360 minus 133 plus 1. Plugging all of that into the calculator now will give us the 604.59 for that interest value.